Today is just gonna be all about prepping for camping, running around like a chicken with my head cut off, and you guys are gonna see it all go down. As far as vlogging schedule, this is probably gonna be the only vlog that I'm putting out for the week. It's just gonna be really hard. I'm gonna have probably no service, no Wi-Fi where we're camping, unless I go into town. So I'm filming and vlogging the entire trip, and I'm gonna be uploading and editing footage while I'm there, but I'm not gonna be able to upload. If for some reason I will, and it'll be a surprise. But if not, then I'm just gonna upload once we get back. So we're supposed to come back Friday, but we're gonna try to stay one more night. Campsite's our first come, first serve, so we're just gonna see what it's like once we're there. So honestly, the first video probably won't be posted till next week. So I'm sorry. I wish that I could put out all the videos for you guys while I'm there, but I don't think that's gonna be possible. Okay, I feel like the brightness was not up before when I was filming, so I'm sorry. Here I am. I just pulled up to Ralph's right now. I'm gonna go in there, grab everything that I need. Is that dog stray? And I'll show you guys everything that I got once I get home, and then we'll hit up the next store. So let's go do it. Alright you guys, I just finished at Ralph's. I got so much shit, so much stuff. I don't even know like if I'm gonna show you guys because I feel like it's so much stuff. Like a huge grocery haul. Maybe not, maybe I'll just show you guys. I'm headed home right now to drop all of this stuff off, which is gonna suck because I'm by myself. So we live on the second floor, so I'm gonna have to lug all this shit up, put it away for now, and then I'm gonna head out to just Sprouts. There was a few stuff that Ralph's didn't have, or like the fruit didn't look very good, so I'm gonna get some fresh fruit and stuff over at Sprouts. So I'm just gonna take everything that I get from Sprouts with me over to Matt's brother's house and he'll be there, I think. He's at his dad's right now loading up kayaks, and then when I get to his brother's house, I'm gonna have his brother grind up my coffee for me because we have a French press in the trailer, and I need like coarse ground coffee, so I just bought whole bean coffee. I'm gonna have him grind it up for me, and then we'll probably go back to the house and then take all this shit up to the trailer. We turned it on a few days ago, so the fridge and everything is nice and cold. So we're gonna load up the fridge. We're gonna take everything basically over today so that Matt can go pick it up in the morning tomorrow, and then we'll be ready to go. So we're both just running around like crazy. So I'm almost home, and I will show you guys everything that I got when I get there. All right, I just got to Matt's brother's house. Matt got the kayaks kind of loaded up. Just brought the coffee over so Josh can roast it for me. Or not roast it, grind it. Hi.
Oh no, not my...
I'm dying. These kayaks are huge. Alright you guys, we just got to the Habit. We're gonna go and get some lunch right now. Both Matt and I haven't eaten like all day. I just had a power bar. So I'm so faint, I feel like I'm gonna die. So we are gonna get some burgers and then eat real quick, refuel. Then I'm probably gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna put Indy down for a nap today or just skip her nap and put her down for bed early, because we're planning on leaving at like 5 o'clock in the morning. So I think if I skip a nap and just put her down early, that will work out better, but I'm not sure, so I'll keep you guys posted. I also didn't show you guys any of the groceries that I got because I just came home and shoved the cold stuff in the refrigerator and left to go to Sprouts to get the rest of the stuff. I was in such a rush, so I figured that I would just show you guys everything that I got once we get to the trailer and I start unloading everything. It's 4:12 right now. I'm headed to Pilates, to my 4:30 class. Update, I came home from eating lunch with Matt, and is this not bright? Like, hello. I came home from eating lunch with Matt, and Indy did take a nap. She took a nap from like 1 to 3-ish. So I don't know how this is gonna go. We're gonna put her down at her regular bedtime and then just wake her up at like 5:30 in the morning when we're getting ready to leave. So we have quite the drive ahead of us tomorrow. That's why we're waking up so early and wanting to get on the road by 6, because with the stops and everything, it might be like 6 hours before we get there. So let's just hope for the best. Let's hope that everything runs smoothly tomorrow. I think it will. I'm trying to be as positive as possible. The way I see it is if you got to break a schedule a few days out of the year, it's completely fine, you know? The kiddos will adapt and she'll get back on schedule once we're there. So it's hot as balls outside. It's 92 degrees. That's what it says in my car. It feels like 1,000 degrees. I'm gonna go to Pilates, and then I'm gonna come back home and we're gonna load up all of the food and like other small stuff around the house that I can take over, and we're gonna get it all situated in the trailer. So once we get to the trailer, I will show you guys like all the groceries and stuff once I'm there, since I'll be taking it out of the bags and stuff, and it'll just be easier that way. As far as clothes and stuff, I have Indy's clothes like kind of they're everywhere, all over her floor. But I have them sorted out, and I just need to finish packing up her stuff. I need to pack up mine, and then I'll bring that stuff down in the morning. So that's not going out to the trailer until tomorrow. So I feel like for the most part, we're doing a great job. I'm feeling pretty good. I'm knocking shit off my checklist. I just need to make sure that tonight I get all of Indy's stuff packed up, check all of her stuff off the checklist, and then I gotta pack my stuff up like when Matt's giving Indy a bath tonight. I wanted to self-tan before we go out there, but I feel like that's gonna be a lot because I'm gonna have to edit this video tonight. I just don't know if I'm gonna be feeling it, so I might just go out there a pasty queen and, you know, let my freak flag fly, just being white out in the lake. You know, just go out there and be the Loch Ness Monster swimming around the lake, and it'll be completely fine. You know what I mean? But anyways, I feel like we're doing pretty good. I'm gonna go in, do this Pilates class, get home, and hustle to get everything done. I can't wait to show you guys the trailer. It is so cute. You guys are gonna love it. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Goodbye. We just got to storage where we store the trailer. Now we're gonna pack it up with all the food, get it halfway ready. Actually mostly ready. The only stuff we're gonna bring in tomorrow is all of our clothes. So mine and Indy's clothes and mine. I think Matt's already all packed. We're going camping! We're also gonna set it all up. So we're gonna put it onto the tow hitch and have it ready to go, and we're gonna drive back in my car. That way we are all set up and ready to go since we're leaving super early in the morning. Okay, here she is. Our home away from home. It's hot as heck in here.
Here. Start naming stuff too.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll give you guys a tour. It's not popped out yet, so this is the pop out area, but this is the bathroom. Big ass bathroom. Has a bunch of storage right here, and right here. We have the ottoman in the shower right now, but this is the shower. And then the little mirror, sink area. There's storage, a closet in here. And so this is a little like couch. It pulls out into a bed. And then that's our outdoor rug that's just rolled up in here right now. So once this is pushed out, it's a lot bigger. What are you doing? And then it has a TV, a fireplace. This is the kitchen. Lots of storage, sink, stove, oven, and a microwave. Here's our fridge. We came out and turned it on, so it's all cold and ready to go. And then back in here is our room. I might have Matt pop it out so I can set up all the bedding in there and show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this stuff here right now, and then I'll put this away and bring out more stuff. But we got hot dogs. These are Matt's favorite. These are the Boar's Head uncured hot dogs. We have hard-boiled eggs, croissants, chocolate chip cookies, bacon, licorice, straws, cuties, cheese for hamburgers, tomatoes, potatoes, some canned stuff. I got diced tomatoes, beans, guac, sour cream for the dip I'm making, eggs, Alani Nu, energy drinks. I got corn, all my produce, asparagus, zucchini, lettuce, cilantro, onion, avocado. I've got fruit leathers for Indy, more beans, power bars. I need to actually take these home with me. It's for the pasta salad I'm gonna make, brioche bread for French toast, ruffles for the dip, cheddar ruffles because they're bomb. Tortillas for burritos, tortillas for tacos for one night, hot dog buns, hamburger buns, little bowls. I'm gonna put that away and I'll show you guys the rest. And then I also got these juice freeze pops and these donuts. Okay, this is the meats that I got. I got some carne asada, salmon, 2 things of salmon. I got a tri-tip. I got some bratwurst, some hamburgers, and lunch meat, and breakfast sausage. Alright, we got some mango, some diced yellow onion, some blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, some milk, coffee creamer, orange juice, Spanish rice, salsa. We have some shots. I have Daily Renewal, Vitality, and Wellness. I have some juices, Deep Clean green juice, and then Digest and Reset. I got a little Caesar salad, not little, it's pretty hefty, for side for dinner one night. Alright, I also got these lemonades for Indy. I got these Reese's Thins for, what's it called, s'mores. I got these snacks for Indy, Cheez-Its for us, Oreo Thins for us. And I already showed you guys this. There's also a bag of stuff that I'm gonna take in the car with us for snacks. So Indy has these little fruit bites. We got some nuts, power bars, veggie, oh no, these are cheddar puffs for Indy, veggie straws for Indy. And then I need to take this tri-colored pasta home to make my pasta salad. So then we got all this that I just need to organize and put away. Alright, I got everything put away. Fridge is stocked. Nothing really in the freezer except for her little ice pops. Everything's secured over there. Good to go in here. We're not gonna put together the bed, so we're not dealing with that right now. That's snacks for the drive. And I think we're good. Indy's roughing it already. Look how dirty she is. Hey. Hi. Oh. Look at my lumberjack. There probably are a bunch of spiders in there.
Are there?
I don't know.
Seems like a spider hanging out, huh?
What for sure.